Let's make a sound. Take the power module, the horn, the switch, and 3 cables. Let's build a closed circuit. And there is positive and negative on the horn, which means we are going to connect the positive side of the power module to the positive side of the horn. And then we will connect the switch. Okay, now we have a closed circuit. Turn on, you will hear the sound. Okay, let's try again. Turn on. Let's turn it off. And we are going to change the switch to the knob. Let's remove the switch and take the knob. Remember the knob we used before? If we turn the knob, we will have different level of resistance. Once the circuit is closed, you can hear the sound. Now I turn the knob to the other direction. The sound will be reduced. I turn it back. The sound will be increased. So as I turn the knob, the level of resistance changes. When the level of resistance is reduced, there's more current flowing through the circuit, and the sound is louder. If we turn the knob to the opposite direction, the level of resistance is increased. There is less current flowing through the circuit, and the sound is not that loud. If you have a speaker at home, find the volume control on the speaker. Think about how does the speaker change its volume. When you turn the volume control, you are actually changing the resistance level in the circuit of the speaker.